Get your paper and your pencil and pay close attention to Kade's recipe for today. It's gonna be nutritious and good. Kade's making it the Cajun way. Let Kade Cajunize your meal. Let Kade Cajunize your meal. Make time every day to cook with Kade. Let Kade Cajunize your meal.
Welcome back to Cooking with Kade. Today we're going to be making some simple enchiladas that have a little bit of kick to them because our good friends at Moe Mountain Hot Sauce sent us some of their new products to try. They sent us their original ghost pepper sauce and their two new products, Hot Lava and Green Envy. First thing that you're going to want to do is cook your protein, which in this case we have ground beef. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of ground paprika, 2 tablespoons of dehydrated onion. Alright, so now you want to brown it real well. So right before your ground meat is fully cooked, you're going to want to add in some chopped garlic. The reason why you add your chopped garlic right before it's done and not at the beginning is because you don't want your garlic to be overcooked. Alright, so now that my ground beef is fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add in some canned chili, although you can make your own if you'd like. So now we're going to add in a little bit of enchilada sauce to the mixture. Before we put together our enchiladas, we're going to want to let some of the moisture from this mixture cook out. Now it's all downhill from here. We're going to add in a little bit of lime juice just to give it a little bit of kick. And now we're going to stir it up again. Are you paying attention? Let's get real with the meal and assemble it. Now that we have our assembled enchiladas in the dish, we're going to top it with the rest of our mixture, the rest of our enchilada sauce, and some cheese. Alright, now we're going to put it in the oven at 425 degrees until the cheese is golden brown. I took my enchiladas out of the oven. They were baking for about 20 minutes and then I let them rest for about 10. So now it's my favorite time. Time to eat! Let's see what we got here. I'm going to put on some sour cream. Some green onions, and some black olives. I want to try each of the sauces with my enchilada. First up, we have the Green Envy. Next, the original. And now, Hot Lava. So first I'm going to try the Green Envy. Alright, next up we have the original. And last but not least, we have the lava. Green Envy is a nice tangy jalapeno sauce. The original sauce is made with ghost peppers and has a tasty chocolatey yet spicy flavor. The hot lava sauce keeps all the great flavors the original has. It's just 7 times hotter. If you want to try out Moe Mountain's new products, go to their website, moemountainhotsauce.com. I give Moe Mountain a